Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to install Stable Diffusion and start generating images. First step, we will click on Start Runtime. Click on Open Project. A new tab will open. Select it. After that, click here and select this file. Double-click. Click on this cell. Then press on this play button. You will wait around 10 minutes at least. It's the time it needs to finish the installation. After that, we will select this cell and press on the play button. Just wait 2 minutes and all done. Now we need go to ngrok website and create account in the website. Just log in or sign in with your Google account. Copy your auth token. Select this and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. As you can see, the model is finished, and now we can use Stable Diffusion. Go back to the first tab and select GPU and click Restart. Now press again on the Open Project button. Select this cell and press the play button again. We just need wait till 2 links show up. Click on this one. And here we go, Stable Diffusion ready. Select this and choose the second model. This one we will use to start generate realistic photos. Now we will start with generating images. Start by writing anything in your mind like cat on tree. Then press on generate. We will wait 6 seconds till it's done with the generating. As you can see, it's done with making the cat image, but the results are not the best. But this is not a problem. We will add some text to make it better, but before that, go down and increase the size of the photo. Make it 1:24 by 1:24. Click on Generate again. The more details you add, the more time it takes. And all I did is increase the size of the photo, but by doing that you will get better results. As you can see, this one have more details than the first one. Not yet perfect and far away from what we want. We want more details, so we will click on Hires Fix. And we will add more steps here. We will decrease this. And this. Here in the negative prompt, we will write what we don't want to see in the image. And click on Generate button again. And you can see it's better, but not what we want, so we will have to write more specifically to get the result what we're seeking for. And click on Generate button again. Now this is what we're seeking for. A cute little cat. As you can see the fur, the details of face and eyes. That's what we're looking for. To save photos, we will click right-click and then Save Image as and press Enter to save image. How lovely the details of the photo. It's just perfect. Also, if we want to go back to our generated photo, we will have click on the infinite image browsing. Here will be every photo we ever created with AI. Here you can download any image you created before and also send the prompts to the text to image tab and much more. We will click on the PNG info. This tab is to take details from any photo we ever created to send to text to image or any other tabs as well. I am restarting the tab to show you how to use it. But first we will go back to the infinite image browsing and select the image you want to get details from it. Select Send to Text to Image. As you can see, no need to write anything. Press on this button to clear the seed so we can make changes as we want. Now we will go and press on the PNG info tab. Drag our photo here. We will wait a while till info of the photo shows up. For now, go back to text to image. Press this button to delete the prompts, click Yes. Click on Send to Text to Image. And this is how to use PNG info tab. Now remember, when you want to generate any new image, you have to write specifically what you want so Stable Diffusion be able to give you the best results. And don't forget to write things that you don't want, like bad quality, bad eyes, etc. And don't forget to increase the size of the image because that also makes generated photos even better. Now I will add a photo to get the prompts inside it. It's for laser cutting. Because a lot of you ask me, how did I do these images? And here is the prompts that I used. I will leave you the photos so you can use the prompts. Always remember, don't forget to delete the seed. We want to make different images. Nice result. Let's test more images. As you can see, every image have its own style. You can play around with the prompts of every image to create what you want. In the next video, I will explain more about other tabs and other things you can do in Stable Diffusion. For the next 2 minutes, I will just make new images and play around a little bit with prompts to create new images. You can watch the rest of the video to see how things works. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.